change. In the 1990s, 80s, how real estate used to work, those days are gone. Abnormal profits, times where builders used to, before buying the land, sell the flats, all those, without any approvals at any price, pre-launch, post-launch, all that is gone. People have become very smart, and I see the Pune market especially, people understand per square feet, carpet, saleable, loading. They are more educated than probably us also as an industry. So we should really encourage that. With the RERA coming up, we should also try to help increase the transparency in the industry and make sure that people in the industry, they are willing to adapt to the RERA conditions. We launched this project, which I'm sure most of you all have come in January, end of January, and you all probably must have seen the project the same way it is, and I'm sure there's a lot of work happened when you all came last. But our main focus is delivery. When you came also during the launch, we didn't launch 6 months, 8 months before we started construction. We did the basement, the podium, all our approvals are in place. That time we launched into the market because we wanted to show that from now the work is never going to stop. People get very skeptical, okay, today he's there, tomorrow I don't know whether he's going to be able to complete the project. That happens because of two reasons. Because he's either too leveraged, the builder, or he's not got his approvals, because of which he cannot complete. For us, both those two issues have been rectified. The land is ours. For example, all our approvals are in place and we're doing registrations immediately. We sold flats to NRI clients, to clients abroad, through word of mouth, and everyone's happy because as soon as I get the money, I can go today confidently, and I myself personally go for every single registration to the registrar's office. So this kind of transparency with the main directors of the company, with the channel partners and with the customers is what RERA is, what Shri Narendra Modi is trying to achieve. And I think we as an industry should adopt it. Today being a listed company, all my financials are out in the market. There's nothing to hide. We did a press conference yesterday where I actually, in the press conference, in the press meet also, told all the press people that we're doing this event.
That's one thing.
I did that because I wanted to show that we are pro RERA. We don't have any intention. We have an escrow account way before the RERA rules also came into place. All the people feel comfortable giving us the money because they write on the check escrow account. So they feel, okay, the money is going to be used for the project. And I have no other intention to remove the money. We have other business interests, other businesses to look after other projects. For us, one project, until it's 50 to 60% complete, we will never divert those funds to any other project. We're very focused. When it comes to approvals, there's 17 NOCs which you need to take from the government. We've spent 1.5 years from environmental to airport, all NOCs are with us.
Even those NOCs which are not needed, they are just
bank APFs, all bank APFs. SBI is very hard to get, Axis, HDFC, and we got good relations with all banking institutions. When it comes to loan, when it comes to finance, we bought this land with our own money. There's no JD,
there's no FDI.
There's no FDI. Our focus is this project. So our skin is in the game. So for us, we've come into the industry to stay in the long term, and we really hope that we can encourage you guys to help us through digital to encourage customers in today's life to buy their dream.